good, YouTube, everybody? Thanks for stopping by and visiting the channel. So what we're going to talk about here, as it looks like, is mini brands. And as you can see, Scorpion down there, not looking too happy. He's got 2 balls over his bodies, but hey, he should help us open them, don't you think? Okay, in the background, we got the store back there, the 24-hour store. We're going to get into that. But first, we're going to unbox these balls, and then we're going to stuff them in the store. So if you're ready, I'm ready. Let's get to it. Okay, we're going to go ahead and start with the 24-hour mini store. Let's go ahead and open it up. Check them out. All right, the box is pretty good. Looks not too bad. You'll see the box at the end of the video. Let you know how everything was tucked away, right? All right, so we got these packages here. All right, nice individual packages. I like that. Okay, take these out. Got some more packages. All right, okay, more. Just some nice packaging there. Okay, looks like there is a lot. Let me go ahead and dump these out. Okay. And you have, this has the stickers for the store. Yeah, there you go. You got it right there. There's your stickers for the store. And some more stickers when you're putting your store together. Yep, there you go. You got that. And the guide on how to put your minis in your 24-hour store. Nice. I like that. Okay, we'll go over that here in a minute. All right, set that to the side here. Okay, and we're going to put this box to the side. Right now, let's go ahead and start tearing some of these bags open. So, should we go with the blue bag or the pink bag? I think we should go with the blue bag first because it's the only blue bag. Well, nope, here we are. There's 2 of them. Not just 1, but 2. So here we are. Go ahead and rip it open. Start with the rip. Whew. All right, there we are. Ooh. Okay, well, yeah, we got many pieces here for putting the store together, right? Okay, so you see that. I'm not going to take all that out. So that's pieces there. And all these pieces here are for putting that store together. So we're going to go ahead and set the store aside. So all the stuff that we have here, I'm going to set that aside. And then we're going to go towards the mini balls themselves, the mini brands themselves. So we'll go to that next. Okay, so we're going to go with ball number 1. And this is a series 4. It looks like it says unbox ultra rare 4 dozen moment minis. Nice. So moment minis, huh? All right, so let's go ahead. There we are. Series 4 moment minis. Okay, so let's go ahead and get on the side here and rip this open. All right, we getting it? Yep, I think I'm getting it. This side here. Nice. Just a little trash there. And we should be good once I get all the trash. I don't know if you're supposed to rip all the plastic off, but hey, I'm doing just that. So there we are. Oh, okay, yeah. So all the plastic's off the ball. I don't know if you're supposed to keep it on there for looks. I'm not sure. But that's what I did, is take the whole thing apart. There we go. Okay. So looks like we have more plastic here. What is this? What is that? Is that okay? Okay, so there's still plastic I'd have to get off here, isn't it? Am I right? Looks like it. There it is. Okay. Didn't know. It's like a little shell. See that? Oh, nice. So once that comes apart, oh, like an apple, huh? So okay, falls like an apple. Cause you just, okay, so the thing on the top here hooks into them all, and when you let a piece go here, then they fall. Okay. Oh, okay, there we are. So we have our pieces of our apple here. So let's go ahead and open one of them. See what we got here. Okay. Oh, all right. Here we are. It looks like we have some juicy juice. Nice. Juicy juice. That should go on the shelves. Don't know how much I'm going to sell that for in my 24-hour store, huh? Okay. The next one. There's your little tab there. You see it? All right. Slice it open. Oh, okay. There we are. Boom. Oh, one of my favorite candies. So Mike and I, the Berry Blast. Not the regular kind, but the Berry Blast. Nice. We like Berry Blast. Cool. All right, to my other piece of my apple here. Tab. Got it. Here we are. Rip it open. Oh, nice. Got me some juicy juice in the jug, so I won't run out. Okay, that'll work. Set that next to the juicy jug carton. Cool. That's cool. And we're going to go to our other slice of apple here. There's our tab. Pull it to the side. Oh, okay. So we got some stuff in here. Looks like I got a gold. Okay, this is... Okay, so I think this is one of the movement ones they were saying, because they have some instructions in here. So let's set the pieces down and see what the instruction says on this. Okay? All right, so it looks like this is one of the moments. Okay, so what is a moment? You see, you put it together, and it looks like it's doing that. That's the whole point of getting these. So I got a gold one like that. So let's go ahead and do this. Okay? Put this on this. Pretty simple, right? To make it have a motion look to it. And then you just stick this in there, like so. Put it on the plate, and there you have it. It looks like it's pouring. Those are the moments. Nice. I like that. Plus, not only is it just a regular moment, I have a gold can. Okay. We like that. I don't know where that will go in the market, but it just might be by the register because I'm about to eat it. Okay, so it looks like we got one more left on our apple slices. Tab. There we go. Stretch it out. Okay, nice. Look like more instructions here. Let's see what they say. Okay, this is just a collector's guide. It has a lot of stuff on it. That's what that is. That's what the collector's guide. You knew what this was to make our moment look the way it does back here, as you can see it. Yes, we got that. So that is going to be it on our apple here, and it's done. That apple's done. Go ahead and throw that one to the side. See ya. So we're going to go next. I don't want to do the Apple one. I want to go ahead and do a Disney one. How's that sound? This is the one I'm looking at here. Oh yeah. The Disney Store Edition. Got the Pixar, Marvel, Star Wars, and Disney. You never know what you're going to get. So let's go ahead and slice it up. There goes File Surprise. You ready? 50 mini to collect. Let's do it. Okay. Shred it off here like I do. Don't know if I'm doing it right, but this is what I'm going to do. Shred off that paper. Yeah. I'm doing the best I can with no nails. Okay. Yep. That's difficult. Okay. That's... Somebody give me a hand. You guys, can you guys give me a hand here? Okay, we're doing it. Working it, and it's not very easy. They have it molded on there pretty good. So I'm thinking, like, how are you supposed to tear this neatly if you're gonna just have it very hard to do? All right. And it seems like you can't lift up the plastic just to rip it up neatly and get it on out. Okay, there it is. So, got the plastic off. There we go. All right, plastic is all the way off. Like I said, I don't know I'm supposed to do that. I don't know, but this is what I'm doing here. Okay, and then we pull that tab, and that releases all of the eggs, like so. The other tab, right here. See the tabs? You pull those out, that's holding them together, and the eggs will, release. There we go. Tab is pulled. Bam. There we are. Release the Kraken. But you know what else we got released first? The plastic. Yikes. That is some mean plastic. Okay, okay. Looks like all of our stuff fell in single. Okay. So let's go ahead and open them. Start with that. Got the tab. Go ahead. There we are. Oh, let's see. What's this? All right. It looks like... I don't know. Who is she? Somebody leave me in the comments if you know who she is. She's dancing with somebody there. I'm pretty sure one of you guys know. I know she's a princess, but I'm not sure which princess she is. Princess Aurora. Okay. There she is. We got that. So let's go. Got that right there. Got the other apple slice. Okay. Let me see the other apple slice here. Open up. Oh, right. Oh, wow. Okay. Looks like the Little Mermaid. Nice. There she is. The Little Mermaid. Nice little case. Add that to my collection, huh? Nice. There we go. Let's get some of this trash out of the way here. Got so much. All right. There we go. Okay. Next slice. There we are. Got the tab. Pull it. All right, so we have some more instructions here. Not sure what they're saying. It looks like just other things here you can get. That's all. All right. And what we have here. Wow. Is that 3PO? Oh, nice. He's in there. Yeah, Star Wars. Okay, good. We'll put him on the shelf for sure. I like that. So far, so good on these minis. I can't complain. I cannot complain on that. Nice job. Okay, let's go for the other slice. Where's that tab? Tab. Here we go. Okay, what we got here? Wow. So we have a ship. Wow, it's in the that's pretty nice. I like that. We have okay. Real cool, man. Yeah, I'm digging that. Look at that. Look at all those accessories inside the box. I'm not gonna open the box, but they're in there. Nice. Star Wars toy box. Very nice. Okay. And Apple here. You ready for the tab? Let's pull that tab. Where's that tab at? All right, there it is. And looks like we got Beast. Disney's Beast. Nice. Put them on the shelf. All right, and I think we have, that's it on them. Okay, so that's it. So we have two more balls, mini brands. We have the regular mini brands here with the Pringles with frozen moments. So that's gonna be a good one. And we have the Disney Store one we just opened. Plus, we have the Rose Gold. You can find ultra rare Rose Gold minis. Talk about rare. This is supposed to be a rare one, and we'll get to that. Okay, so next will be the Series 4 here. Go ahead and open it up. Do this Series 4. Yep. And we'll get back to that. There we are. Okay, so open our Gold Rush. Let's go ahead and do that. Oh yeah. You know, I have a trouble opening these things just like this. I don't know why, but that's a little smoother, huh? All right. Not mad at that at all, because that was a lot smoother than before. Okay, here we are. Look, getting it off. Man, it's just been really tough trying to get this paper off. Okay, looking at our little orange here. Yep. So get this other plastic off, and we should be good. There we go. And then take this in the middle off, and we'll have our orange slices. All right, so let's go ahead with the first orange slice. There you got it. We got our tab. Let's pull it. There we go. All right, nice. Look at that. We have some, it looks like some artisan flax seeds. Look like some, I don't know, some wheat crackers. That's what it looks like. And there we are. There goes your wheat crackers. Okay, set that to the back. Got it. All right, let's go for our other orange slice. Okay, here we are. Taking that pill out. All right, what do we have here? Looks like we have some Monday Smooth Shampoo. Okay. Okay, doesn't look gold, but it's got a tint to it, but not quite gold. All right. Okay, up to another slice. Here we are. There we go. Got another slice here. And bam. There we go. Oh, okay. Well, there it is. All right, so we got some Red Hot. Some Frank's Red Hot. Nice. Original. Now it's original. And that is our gold. I like that. Got the gold color to it. Nice. Okay. I think we have maybe two more left. 2 or 3. Let's go ahead and get this one out here. Take it off. There we go. There's our tab. And let's go ahead and peel it off. All right. Let's see what we got here. Whoa. There we are. There goes your Blue Diamond Almond Smokehouse. Nice. Nice. And that is going to be the gold. Heck yeah. Okay. And here we go. I think this is the last one here. Got the tab. Pull it back. And it has instructions in there. But we have... Oh, nice. Looks like some kind of cheese. Or is that cheese? Yeah, that's cheese. Original, nutty, and mild. Okay. All right. There you go. Let's get that in focus there. There is that. There is that. Nutty and mild. It says it right here. Nutty and mild. All right, there we go. And we got that. So that is it on those. I don't think we have any more. A lot of trash. But that's it on the unboxing. Okay, I was missing two things. I didn't know where they came from. I found them laying down. When I opened them, it must have been something. But here goes this. This also came in the food one. Yep, a hint of lemon. There you go. And some dollar bills, y'all. Some dollar bills, y'all. That's a lot of, that's some money right there. And you know what's funny about this? This actually feels like money. I mean, that's strange. This thing really feels like money. Nice. Okay, guys, that's going to be it. Let me know what you think in the comments about all the stuff that I showed you with these mini brands. Do you like them? Do you dislike them? And what do you want out of them? Do you want some? Do you want the golds? Just let me know what you want. And just leave them in the comments. Thank you. Okay, so here we are looking at the box and a couple of the mini brand balls. So we got here, we have the Disney one from the Disney store. I think they have 5 different ones inside. Yeah, 5 surprises. Yep, with the 50 mini series to collect. Okay. And then the other one on this side has the exact same thing. And of course, we got the Ultra Rare Rose Gold, in this one. So this should be the bonus one, like the best one, but they pack them really good. I like that. And then you have the food one. Yep, they got them on the shelves here. You can see that, random ones. I don't think that's the ones you would get, but you probably could get some of these. But that's pretty cool how they got them all shelved up like that. And the balls are inside right here, and you can see them. And then what's behind it is the box, the 24-hour store, which you can stack all these stuff in, which I think is pretty cool. So we've seen the balls. We see what they look like because we went over these and, we opened them up. We checked them out. But this is what they look like before they are open. Pretty nice, nicely done. And here's the box right here. There it is. Nice box. Got all the stuff that you need in there. And here's the side of it. And here's the back of it. Showing the store empty and what it would look like when it's full when you flip it over. So not too much on the box here. Just wanted to show you how it came and how everything came in. Nice and solid. And that is the box. And that is the balls.